Our skin reflects our overall health, and what we eat plays a crucial role in its appearance. The nutrients we consume can either enhance our skin's natural glow or contribute to various skin issues. A balanced diet, rich in essential nutrients, can work wonders for your complexion, promoting a youthful glow and delaying visible signs of aging. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts are particularly beneficial. Conversely, a diet lacking in vital nutrients can manifest in various skin problems, from dryness and acne to premature wrinkles. Processed foods and high sugar intake can exacerbate these issues. This post delves into the fascinating relationship between diet and skin health, providing practical advice on how to nourish your skin from the inside out. We'll explore which foods to embrace and which to avoid. Our skin, the body's largest organ, acts as a protective barrier against external aggressors like pollution and UV radiation. It is constantly exposed to environmental stresses. It also plays a vital role in regulating body temperature and preventing dehydration. Staying hydrated and maintaining a healthy lifestyle are key to skin health. Just like any other organ, our skin requires a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally and maintain its health and vitality. Vitamins and minerals are essential for skin repair and renewal. By understanding the specific nutrients that benefit our skin and incorporating them into our diet, we can achieve a radiant and healthy complexion. A diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and hydration is key. Vitamins A, C, and E are essential for maintaining healthy skin. These vitamins play a crucial role in skin health and overall well-being. Vitamin A, a potent antioxidant, helps protect the skin from sun damage and promotes cell turnover, leading to a smoother, more even skin tone. It is vital for repairing skin tissues and maintaining a youthful appearance. Good sources of vitamin A include sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can significantly improve your skin's health. Vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant, is crucial for collagen production, a protein that gives our skin its elasticity and firmness. It also helps in repairing damaged skin cells. Collagen helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, keeping the skin looking plump and youthful. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli, are excellent sources of vitamin C. Including these in your diet can enhance your skin's natural glow. Vitamin E, known for its moisturizing properties, protects the skin's lipid barrier, preventing moisture loss and keeping it hydrated. It also helps in healing and reducing skin inflammation. Almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and spinach are rich in vitamin E. Adding these foods to your meals can ensure your skin stays soft and supple. Zinc and selenium are essential minerals that play crucial roles in skin health. Zinc is vital for wound healing, reducing inflammation, and controlling oil production, making it beneficial for acne-prone skin. Foods rich in zinc include pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, lentils, and cashews. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting the skin from sun damage and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium, with just a few nuts providing the recommended daily intake. Other good sources include fish, shellfish, and eggs. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are essential for maintaining the skin's natural oil production, keeping it moisturized and supple. They also possess anti-inflammatory properties, reducing redness and irritation. Antioxidants found in colorful fruits and vegetables protect the skin from free radical damage caused by environmental aggressors like pollution and UV radiation. Free radicals can damage skin cells, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and age spots. Consuming a diet rich in antioxidants helps neutralize these free radicals, protecting the skin from oxidative stress. Nourishing your skin foods to embrace. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats is essential for healthy skin. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect and nourish the skin from within. Whole grains provide fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut, indirectly benefiting skin health. Lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, and lentils provide amino acids, the building blocks of collagen, essential for skin elasticity and firmness. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated and supple. Diet don'ts. Foods to limit for a clear complexion. While nourishing your body with healthy foods is crucial, limiting certain foods that can negatively impact your skin is equally important. Processed foods, often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium, can trigger inflammation and contribute to acne breakouts. Excessive dairy consumption has also been linked to acne in some individuals. While the exact mechanism is unclear, it is thought that hormones present in dairy products may contribute to skin inflammation and oil production. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and sugary drinks can spike blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation and collagen breakdown. Limiting these foods can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote a healthier complexion. Hydration. The unsung hero of skin health. While we focus on the foods we eat, the importance of hydration for skin health cannot be overstated. Water is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, flushing out toxins, and delivering nutrients to skin cells. Dehydration can lead to dry, flaky skin, making wrinkles and fine lines more prominent. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. You can also increase your fluid intake by consuming hydrating fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumber, and spinach. Remember, proper hydration is crucial for maintaining skin cell function and promoting a radiant complexion. Beyond diet, holistic tips for radiant skin. While diet plays a crucial role in skin health, other lifestyle factors contribute to a radiant complexion. Getting enough sleep allows your skin to repair and regenerate, preventing premature aging. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, delivering nutrients to skin cells and promoting a healthy glow. Managing stress through techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing can prevent stress-induced breakouts and promote overall well-being. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen, seeking shade, and wearing protective clothing is crucial for preventing premature aging and reducing the risk of skin cancer. The radiant you. Embracing a holistic approach. Achieving radiant skin is not just about following a specific diet. It's about embracing a holistic approach that nourishes your body from the inside out, promoting overall health and vitality. By adopting a balanced diet, rich in skin-loving nutrients, staying hydrated, managing stress effectively, and protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays, you can achieve a healthy, youthful complexion that reflects your overall well-being and inner happiness. Remember that everyone's skin is unique and it requires personalized care. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to find what suits you best. It's essential to listen to your body and mind. Pay attention to how your skin responds to different foods and lifestyle changes, and make adjustments as needed. Consult with a dermatologist or registered dietitian for personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. Embrace the journey to radiant skin with patience and positivity, and remember that true beauty radiates from within, reflecting your inner peace and joy.